You're looking to decorate your property indoors, outdoors, by the gazebo, front yard, backyard, kids' room, anywhere you want to put lights. 110 volt VAC, 150 LEDs, multicolor with 8 modes, and 49 feet of stringer. Opening up the product, I'm going to show you what you get inside. Take everything out and set this up and decorate the outside. Now you're able to put an additional stringer on by taking the cap off and purchasing it. And you just simply use the controller to change your modes by the button over here. We're going to demonstrate the unit to automatic on by simply plugging in. This is the first mode. Mode number 2. Mode number 3. Mode number 4. Mode number 5. Mode number 6. Mode number 7. Mode number 8. And back to mode number 1. To shut off, simply pull out. We're going to go hang the unit up outside and show you what it looks like at nighttime. Unwrap. Lay down. Give a test run, and you see the lights are working. And we'll come back in the evening hours and see what they look like. We are lit up in the evening hours, and we have the lights going on mode 1, or the first mode when you turn it on. And it's blinking a slow on and off. We switch to the second mode, which is a fast blink and changing of colors. The third mode, which is a solid light of the multiple colors. And the fourth mode, which is twinkling back and forth. And then on the fifth mode, the sixth mode, and the seventh mode, and of course the last mode. We have the lights going on in the back, hung up, changing different modes. The adapter, power adapter, has 8 modes. Hold for 2 seconds. It'll go for 6 hours, turn off for 18 hours, and back on for the additional 6 hours, repeated every time, having a memory. These lights are waterproof. The lights are IP44 rated, up to 4 stringers with 8 modes with a 6-hour timer. Enjoy your lights, no matter where you set them up. Have a great day, and thank you for viewing.